Okay, here we go. Bubby by itself. Let go. Put your helmet down, start welding. Put your helmet all the way down, let go. Alright, put your gun up closer. Put your helmet down. Put your helmet down. Alright, hit it. Use your other hand. Hold yourself steady. Like that. There you go, guys. That's it. Hold on. Like that. Good. Good. Stop. Alright, let's do it. Take the other hand. Take your other hand. Hold it like that. And lay your gun on top of it. Keep it steady. Like that. Okay? Hold your hand up there. It won't burn you. No, you have to. You have to do this. Like that. It won't hurt. Okay, go ahead. Do like you was doing it. Hold it steady. Alright, go ahead. Put your helmet down. Put your helmet down. I'll have to get up there. Put your helmet down. Put your trigger. Go. Hold still. Don't go so fast. That's my boy. Don't jump around from there. Close your hands there. Hold still. Stop moving. There you go. A little bit closer. Alright, stop moving your hands from there. Go ahead. Alright. That's a good job. Well, Bubby by itself almost.